Yes, coming back to the step 2, we have to check the communalities. Okay, the communalities, how do we check the communalities? The previous video we saw KMO, right? Now in this second step we have to see communalities. Communalities, how do we see communalities? Communalities, the criteria is the communalities value should not be greater than should not be less than zero point 0.5, right? It should not be less than 0.50. Okay, let us check here. Is there any communality which has less than 0.05? Please check here. This one is fine, this one is fine, right? This one is fine. The moment we see here, yes, there is a problem. You can see here the extracted communality for this statement is less than 0.5, and here this statement expert opinion, this statement also is less than 0.5, and there is one more statement, I must use mobile app for gaming. Okay, this again there is a problem with communalities. As I said, it should be greater than 0.5. Yeah, it should be greater than 0.5. It should be greater than 0.5, right? Those who are not greater than 0.5, that you have to delete. Those who are not greater than 0.5, you have to delete them. So how do I do that? Just go back, dimension reduction. Now check which statement is that. The statement is I must use mobile app. Where is that I must use? Yes, remove that. The second one is expert opinion online shopping depicted, expert opinion online shopping. Yeah, remove that. And then the last one, I think M gaming app puts my privacy. I think using M gaming app puts my privacy. Now run again. Now check communality. Extraction only, we have to check extraction part. Okay, is there anyone lesser than 0.5? Is there anyone lesser than 0.05? Please check. None of them. All of them are above. All of them are above 0.5. Then it is right. Okay, all of them are above 0.5. Then it is fine. 0.5 greater than 0.5. Then it is correct, right? That's it. That's the step 2.